Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and we have a 25-cent secret deodorant over at the Dollar General, and the cost of deodorant is one of these items that's really jumped a lot in price, so I'm thinking whenever I can get this really cheap, I'm going to make this happen. Big thank you to the Geeky Banana Save. She was talking about this over on Instagram, and it's a fire deal. So we are at, again, Dollar General, and you are going to go in that travel section. Every store should have one, and I'm going to provide you with the UPC in case you're like, hey, I'm not sure if my store might carry that, but it's $1.50, and the one we're looking for is Outlast. And I don't know if you guys are anything like me, but I love to have one of these in my gym bag, in my purse, or I might just use it. And for 25 cents, yeah, I'm definitely stocking up. We're going to load this coupon, and it is in fact attaching. It's $1.25 off of one of these deodorants. And it's one per card as well, just to let you know that. And you can do this right till the 31st. If they exclude these travel sizes from attaching with the coupon, they can do that at any time. So it's really good to check, double, triple check with the UPC. Again, a visual of this. It's called the Secret Outlast, and it is 0.5 of an ounce of deodorant, but it seems to be a pretty good brick of it. So it's not that gel stuff. It's more of a powdery kind of deodorant, and I have no problem using these small ones too. I was recently on the Walgreens website, and I think for a native deodorant, it's just under $16. So I don't know why this has become so expensive. Here is the UPC as well, guys. And as you see, there is an expiry date on this until 2027. So you don't want one that's already expired or, is going to expire in a month. So you might have to root around in that. I think most stores around me had 20 to 50 of these in stock. They keep this one in stock quite a bit. Now I'm just going to show you guys the receipt. So I bought one of these and it is $1.50, and that coupon does in fact come off. So with tax, before tax is 25 cents. With tax for me here in Michigan, 34 cents. So if you are near a Dollar General driving by, just a nice little freebie, why not go and make this happen if you want to do this deal? I think it's just a great one. Okay, so the next store that we're at is Walgreens, and I did talk about this deal yesterday, but a lot of people were getting turned around with it, so I thought I would just go through it step by step because I did in fact do it in store today. We're still dealing with that really heavy smoke from those Canadian forest fires here in Michigan, so I'm just trying to do some quick little deals in and out, not trying to be outside too long because that smoke is really, it's very heavy, and I'm not a fan of it. Okay, so what we're going to do here is in store, we're going to be looking for the Walgreens brand cough drops, and I went with sugar-free, and they're the 25 counters. They're on a promotion of buy one, get one 50% off, and a $5 store register reward when you buy two of them, and it's on medical stuff, which is very, very specific. So just to show you again, transaction one, you're going to grab 2 bags of these. I believe there's also a cherry one that's a similar price point, and it's 30 count, and it's the one with sugar, but I wanted to go sugar free. And I'm not getting 100 bags of this, doing 100 transactions. I'm only doing the amount for my deals because these do expire and they go bad if you just keep them in a tote for like 17 years. So just to show you my first transaction, buy one, get one 50% off. The first one's going to ring up $2.49 and the second at half price. So it's $3.73. So with tax, just under $4, $3.95. You can use up to $3 of Walgreens cash if you want. And then out of the machine, listen, is the register rewards printing, or ask the cashier like, hey, is that machine printing? This guy came out, and it's save $5 on your next wellness. Now, if the cashier is going to read this line for line and say you can't use it in toothpaste, I mean, there's other items you can grab, Tylenol, you could grab, there's a whole bunch of like bath salts you could also grab that are part of first aid, believe it or not. You can get creative, but if the cashier will scan it, and it does in fact scan, this is what I would grab for the second transaction. I would grab 2 of the Colgate Sensitive. They're $5 each. We have a 5 off of 2 coupon, and when you buy 2 this week, you're getting back a $4 register reward. Make sure you're grabbing the correct items that are tagged in your store. This is your digital coupon, and as you see, it says expires in 3 days, the top left-hand corner. So I would definitely do this sooner than later because that coupon is going to expire. And then just to show you 2 of my toothpaste for $10, my store medical register reward scan perfectly on that. You can use 1 per transaction as well. And then the second is the digital coupon that I just showed you that also came off. So my subtotal is 0. I had to pay tax. And then out of the machine after I paid, a $4 register reward printed for Colgate. And then just to give you eyes on that register reward, here it is. Can't stress it enough, class. It is very, very important to ask the cashier, is the machine on today? Is it printing these? Or listen when there's another customer ahead of you. Are they printing? Yes or no? Because that is really, really important. And there is some very cheap Prime found at many stores. I have a friend that lives downstate, and she was talking about this as well. So it's 75 cents for a lot of these summer flavors. We have the Dripsicle. I have never tried this, and I used to love energy drinks back in the day, probably 10 years ago, but I've stopped drinking it. Just doesn't agree with me anymore. And if you have that $5 from the cough drops, I think you could get 7, so it'd be $5.25 plus your bottle deposit if you pay that for these. But this one, which is like one of those popsicles that they have in the summer months. And then we also have the flavor original, also 75 cents, which is really bizarre. And then this cherry limeade. So, I mean, if you love these energy drinks, by all means, go for it. Unfortunately, I double, triple checked IBOTTA. There is no rebate for this, but I would hang on to the receipt because sometimes rebates show up for this specific drink with IBOTTA. I'm not sure about Fetch either, but hang on to that receipt in case something should populate. You never really know. And then another item that I saw a ton of clearance at the front of the store is a lot of snacks. So like little convenience popcorns or things with nuts that are coated, like all the really great stuff for a summer or road trip. Those Takis hot nuts are delicious, and for 49 cents. I didn't buy any though. And forgive me guys, I have such a hard time. Popcornopolis, that specific company, they have a bunch of different flavors of popcorns, and a lot of them were 49 cents, if not cheaper. And then there was some caramel flavored ones, but they were all gone. And then somebody went and bought a lot, but the hot stuff was left there. Maybe you need something really hot to stay cool with this buggy, humid weather that we've been getting. And if you're dealing with the smoke, just be safe out there, guys. And I would limit my time outside just to be safe. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.